Alright, well that's the top of the 2x4 on the inside. It is leaning past the outside at the bottom. And we got to one edge of the 1x4. It's ending up at the bottom edge of the 1x4, the back edge of the 1x4. New wall and the old wall. And the front of the old house. And the inside. Coming together, coming together. The inside. The door. Oh. Alright. Well, job's pretty much wrapped up. He's got some still mud on the drywall to do inside, but otherwise she's pretty much done. Alright, here's the update. Got a little drywall going on. Everything's coming together. The lights work. Door shuts. Everything's good. Alright. Alright. This is the job site. Here it is pre-work. I have no work done yet except the layout. There's the steel. The Smashy's loaded down. Motorcycle. Smashy's got her full weight. Never had that much weight on her, I don't think, on the racks yet. Yeah, there it is. That's the update.